but the brother is a human.
Oh, the family is animals, but the brother is a human? Tell me everybody's name again. I forget now.
Was Mike, Hallie, Frankenstein, Frank, Yap,
Stan?
Stan, and Alice.
And Alice, okay. Mm-hmm.
And Toots McSwashington.
What? Toots McSloshinson? Is that the giraffe?
That's the giraffe.
Who is he?
He's the leader.
He's the leader of the family? Oh, okay. Oh my goodness.
Coughing Rooster.
That's the Coughing Rooster?
Coughing Rooster is this guy.
Okay, is that his name? His name is Coughing Rooster? Okay.
And he rides on the cat's back.
Okay. Coughing Rooster rides on Frankenstein. Got it.
Actually, he gets up
Okay.
here. He's not very nice.
Apparently not.
The Coughing Rooster is not nice.
He just knocked Hallie right off.
No, the Coughing Rooster and Frankenstein are not nice.
They're not nice. Why not?
Says they don't get anything. They don't get anything.
They don't get anything. That's why they're not nice.
They don't.